How to prevent stickers with your TikTok videos.
If you don't want people to be able to create stickers with your videos, check this out. So start out on your profile page. Then tap the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. On the box that pops up, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, under the Account section, tap on Privacy, which is the second one down. Scroll down to the Interactions section. Then tap on Stickers. You can see this box pop up that says who can create stickers with your videos. Now by default, it's set to everyone, which means that anybody can use your videos to create stickers with. If you want only your friends to be able to do that, which is people you follow and they also follow you back, you guys follow each other, tap on Friends. Otherwise, if you want nobody to be able to create stickers with your videos, tap on Only You. Once you've made your selection, tap on the X or just tap anywhere outside this box. That's it. Before you go, check this out.